Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium buildup on pool tile. First, you'll want to lower your pool's water level by 6 to 12 inches, exposing the affected tiles. Next, gather your cleaning supplies, which typically include a stiff brush, a spray bottle, and your chosen calcium remover. Always ensure good ventilation, especially if you're working with chemical solutions, to keep your workspace safe and comfortable. Now, let's select the right cleaning method for your specific buildup. For lighter calcium deposits, a simple pumice stone can be very effective. If you're facing tougher, more stubborn stains, a specialized calcium remover designed for pool tiles will be your best bet. For an eco-friendly approach, a solution of white vinegar and water can also work wonders on moderate buildup. With your method chosen, it's time to get cleaning. Apply your selected cleaner directly onto the calcium buildup. For liquid solutions, a spray bottle works well. Let the cleaner sit for the recommended time, usually a few minutes, to allow it to penetrate the deposits. Then, using a stiff brush, scrub the affected tiles vigorously until the calcium begins to loosen and disappear. Once the calcium is gone, thoroughly rinse the clean tiles with fresh water to remove any remaining cleaner or loosened deposits. After rinsing, you can refill your pool to its normal operating level. To prevent future calcium buildup, regularly test and maintain your pool's water chemistry, paying close attention to pH and alkalinity levels. This simple maintenance will keep your tiles sparkling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.